Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. In this very video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to delete search history on AliExpress. For this, first of all, you have to find the very AliExpress application on your very mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on AliExpress application like this. When you tap on AliExpress application like this, AliExpress will be launched on your very device. After AliExpress is launched on your very device, you have to tap on this very search icon on the top side. When you tap on the very search icon on the top side, you can see an interface like this. Now here you can see the very option of search history. When you see the very option of the search history in the very side, that is the right side, you can see a very option of the recycle bin or the very logo of it. You have to tap on it, which is the delete option. Now here you can see the interface of Clear where it has been written. Are you sure you want to remove all the search history? Now here you have to tap on yes. Now after you tap on the option of yes, all of your search history will be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.